If you have ever considered investing in Kenyan ETFs, then this video is for you. I'm going to break down or walk you through the process step by step so you can start investing or building wealth right here at home. And for those who are interested in global ETFs, I have already done a video illustrating how to go about it, and I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can take a look. Welcome to Study Well, where we believe that to become wealthy, you have to study well. Our mission is very simple: to attain financial freedom. Is that something that you're working towards too? Hit the subscribe button and become part of our community. And to my subscribers and my supporters, you guys, you're amazing. Thank you so much for your continued support. It means the world to me. Let me know in the comment section, what do you want us to cover next? Which topic or which fund do you want us to review next? Okay, put it in the comment section. I'm going to check it out and I'm going to prepare a video for those videos. Okay, now for those who are beginners in investing in ETFs, the first thing that you need to do is to get a CDS account. Yes, you need a CDS account for this, okay? You can open one through a licensed stockbroker, and we have several licensed stockbrokers here in Kenya. You can choose one, but make sure that you are reviewing them, making sure that they have good customer service. At the same time, their platform is good. Personally, I'm using AIB DigiTrader. It's very simple and user-friendly. So far, I like it. Thank you so much for those who recommended I try it out. It has been good for me. So far, so good. And I will leave a link in the description box for those who are interested in joining AIB DigiTrader. Once you have an account, the next step is to research what you want to invest in, like which ETF do you want to invest in. And since we are focusing on ETFs here in Kenya, we currently only have two options. That is the Absa Gold ETF and the Satrix MSCI World ETF, okay? And just to highlight what ETFs are, I know you have already done a full video explaining this or going through what ETFs are and giving examples. I will leave the link again in the description box so that you can take a look if you want to know more about ETFs and how they work. But in very simple terms, ETFs are a basket of stocks. So instead of buying individual stocks or stocks from individual companies, you invest in a group of them at once. For example, with the current ETFs that we have here in Kenya, the Satrix MSCI World ETF, it holds over 1,300 companies across 23 developed markets, okay, including giants like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and other stocks, okay. Then the Absa Gold ETF, on the other hand, lets you invest in gold indirectly, with each unit that you hold being backed up by physical gold. So the company that holds this ETF have bought physical gold and it has that gold somewhere, but now they have created a fund to represent the gold that they have. So the price of this ETF is the same as the price of the physical gold. So when the price of physical gold is going up, the price of ETF also goes up. So how do you actually invest in these ETFs? Let us break it down step by step. We'll be buying Satrix MSCI World ETF. So because I did this purchase some few weeks ago, and at the time of buying this ETF, the Absa Gold ETF was, or the gold January had rallied, and I didn't think it was a good time to buy. So I bought the Satrix MSCI World, okay? Let me know in the comment section, which ETFs do you prefer? The global ETFs or the local ETFs, or do you prefer the gold ETF, okay? Let us know in the comment section, and let us get into the practical bit of this video. So this is the AIB DigiTrader application, and first things first, make sure that you fund or deposit money to your account. After that, you'll come to the watch list, find the ETF you want to invest in, and here you need to know the symbol of the ETF. You can Google it, and in our case, we are looking for the symbol SMWF. So this is what you want to locate, okay? So scroll down until you find it, then click on it or swipe left, then click on buy. So here is where I want you to pay close attention. Two things. First is keying in how many units you need to buy. You need to do some calculations here. Take the amount you want to invest and divide that by the price of the stock of the ETF, and that will give you the number of units. In my case, I was investing 4,000 Kenya shillings, so we divide that by 841, and I get around 4.7. And since the NSE allows 1 unit minimum, no fractional shares, we drop the decimals. And this will also allow us to accommodate the brokerage fees. So the second thing is to set it to market. So we have two options here. We have limit and market. But for us as beginners, we want to go with market because it means that you'll be buying with the market price. If you choose the limit, it is going to put a limit order. It means you're creating an order and you would have to set the price at which you want to buy the shares at, okay, or the ETFs at, all right? Then you need to click on buy. And the next pop-up will give you a breakdown of the investment, including the fees. So I paid 69.83 as brokerage fees, as you can see here. And you need to check the total amount to make sure you have that amount in your account. If the total amount is more than what you have in your account, you'll need to reduce the number of units. If the amount is less or equal to what you have, just click on buy, and just like that, you have bought your ETF. It may take a few minutes for it to reflect in the portfolio, but you'll be able to see the transaction under orders. It will be like a fulfilled order if you went with the market option. If you went with the limit option, it will be a pending order. And as you can see here, when the order is finally appear under the portfolio, it will read a negative value because of brokerage fee. You can see that the buying price is a bit higher than what we placed, or the price that was in the main page when we were buying. And this difference covers the fees, okay? And now you'll be able to monitor your stock or under portfolio over time. And it is as simple as that. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you want to invest in shares through a fund manager without going to the market to identify which stocks to invest in, here is a fund that you can consider. Happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.